So for the new hires, this is typically what you'll see out there. You have the main wire bundle coming down throughout the ceiling. You can have a sleeve, you can just take out the drywall. It really depends on the environment and the budget. You have a ladder cable tray. There's a couple different names for it. It's bolted to the wall, and then it comes down there and it holds the pressure of the wire. So you just don't want it hanging. And then it comes down here, and there's various ways. This bundle is flared into this side of the patch panels. This one is over there. This is something you'll see out there. It's called a cable manager. Sometimes they call it fingers. Usually there's a dual-sided. This one is just very expensive, to say the least. So they just had the front for patch cables. Now back in the old days, there were big, massive amounts of patch cables. But nowadays we just get smaller patch cables. So, cable manager is usually for the front patch cables. Then we'll have the rear, and sometimes we can go ahead and just put our excess cable in there. What you'll see out there is loaded patch panels with little teeth that you punch in. Some of the newer ones, we'll just go ahead and use unloaded patch panels, and we'll just do a keystone patch panel. So that makes it a little bit nicer for presentation. You'll have power managers, battery backup. We'll run our certs, testing, and that's pretty much what you guys will see out there, and that's what we do every single day. Structured cabling.